Hello everybody, SApps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to check Facebook video views. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and then go to the profile section and scroll down and then click to the photos options. After that, scroll and you can see albums option. Just click to the videos options. Here you can see all the videos you have posted on your Facebook. Just click to the three dot menu here beside the button below the comment option. Just click on that. After scroll down, you can see all the videos, likes, comments, shares will be shown there. Here you can see only like has been on the posted. So whenever you want to see the views, likes, comments, all the things will be shown there. So that's the process how you can see or check Facebook video views. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.